All right, our lesson, we're going to drag and drop the word that correctly labels a specific part of the expressions. So the first one, this 15 is a term, and it is also going to be a constant. So this is a term and a constant. So what I'm going to do is put term, and it's a constant. So I'm going to put both. So go ahead and drag that term and that constant over to that 15. All right, this m, remember the m is a variable. M is a variable. Same thing with that p. Variable. There we go. I wrote it sideways. That whole thing of 7 times p is a term. That is a term. Negative 7 times p, negative 7p, that is a term. Same thing with this negative 3, that is a term. And it is also a constant. Same thing like that 15. Constant. Remember, terms are separated by our operations. So we have 1 term here, 2 terms, 3, and 4 terms total. Oh, you could say that variable is also a term. You could very well do that. So sorry. All right, let's take a look at the next one. So, we're going to identify the coefficients. Remember, a coefficient is going to be the number in front of a letter. So it's going to be a number in front of a letter. So we're going to identify the coefficients here. First of all, let's take a look. That 5 is a coefficient because it's in front of m. Same thing with that negative 2. So 5 and negative 2 are coefficients. They're the numbers in front of a letter. Number in front of variable or letter. All right. Next one, how many terms are in this expression? So remember, terms are separated by our operations, typically of addition and subtraction. Our terms, let's see, we'll have 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. So our answer is 4 terms. All right, now we're going to circle the like terms in the expression. Like terms are going to mean that they have the same kind of letter with them, or it'll be the same thing with them. So, because 5v and 2v, negative 2v, those both have the v, we are going to circle those ones. So 5v and negative 2v, or that 2v. So those are going to be like terms because they both have that v. They both have that v. They are like. They are alike each other. Last but not least, we're going to name the constants in our algebraic expression. So remember, our constant is going to be number without variable. So a number by itself. So in this case, our number by itself is negative 15. Negative 15. And that's going to be it for our lesson. Great job.